Hello students, welcome to my channel Brothers Academy. Today we will discuss Chapter 4 More Features of Microsoft Word, Chapter 4, Part 3. In today's video, we will discuss the questions raised in the previous session, followed by features of the Microsoft Word, inserting WordArt, drop cap. Finally, we will end the session with a short quiz. So, let's begin. The questions which we raised in the previous session, the first one was the text within a text box cannot be formatted, true or false? And the answer is false. The text within a text box can be formatted. The next one, text boxes are generally used when you want to draw attention of specific text, true or false? And the answer is true. Yes, they are used when you want to draw attention of specific text. Can you change the shape of the text within a text box? If so, how? And the answer is first step is you need to select the text within the text box. Then you need to click the Format tab and select the Text Effects option in the WordArt style group. Then you need to click on the Transform option and select an effect from the submenu, and the text will appear with the selected effect. Okay. The next one, we cannot insert a shape on top of another shape, true or false? And the answer is false. We can insert a shape on top of another shape. The next one, dash tab can be used to format the shape available under dash. The answer is Format tab can be used to format the shape available under drawing tools. The last one, you can place text within a shape. Is it true or false? And the answer is true. Yes, you can place text within a shape. Now, let us continue with today's session. Students, let us take a look how to insert WordArt in Microsoft Word document. We will take a look at how to insert WordArt, how to format WordArt, how we can change the text fill, how we can change the text outline, how we can change the thickness of text and line style, and how we can apply the text effects. At the end, we will see how to change the text effects. Okay, now let us insert the word art. In order to insert the word art, you need to take your cursor at the position where you want to insert the word art. Then click on the Insert tab. Now in the text group, you click on this option, Insert Word Art. Okay. And you can choose any option which you like. Okay. Once you take your cursor to that particular word art, so you will get the detail on that word art. So let us say I am choosing this option. You will get this placeholder. Okay. Now you can click inside this placeholder and you can type your text. Okay. Word arts are basically used when you want to give some visual effects and you want to make your text more presentable and you want to draw the attention of the user to some specific text. That time you generally use the word art. Okay. So in order to type your text, take your cursor in the placeholder and start writing your text. Let's say if I say no to plastic. Okay, go green. This is just the text, I have typed. Okay, so in order to format this text, you can select this particular text. Under the Format tab, as you can see, in the WordArt style group, okay, if you want to change the text fill, let's say this is the first option for changing the text fill. So you can select this drop down and let's say you can choose green color. Okay, so this way you can change the text fill of the word art. And if you want to change the text outline, So this is the second option. So you can select this and let's say you can give this blue color. Okay. So this way you can change the text outline. And if you want to change the thickness of the text, you can again go to this text outline option and you can give no outline, you can increase the thickness, anything you like. Or you can, this dashes, the line style if you want to change. So that way you can apply this long dash, etc. Now, how to apply the text effects like shadow, glows? Again, you need to select the text, and the third option is for changing the text effect. So you can select this. You can choose any of the option from this glow. Let's say this one. And there are other options available like shadow, reflection, okay, 3D rotation and transform. You can change the transform the text within the this particular box. Okay. Now, if you want to change the text direction, again you can select the text within the this particular box and you can click this text direction and you can rotate 90 degree, 270 degree, etc. You can also use this rotation handle to rotate the text. Okay. So this way you can use the rotation handle as well. Okay. So this is we covered how to insert word art, how to format word art, how to change the text fill, how to change the text outline we saw, how to change the thickness of text and line style, how to apply the text effects like shadow, glow, etc. And lastly, we saw how to change the text direction. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Students, we saw how to insert word art. Now let us take a look at the drop cap feature of Microsoft Word. Drop cap option can be used to give artistic touch to the document. This is used to display the first letter of the paragraph in large font. Basically, drop cap feature is generally used in newspaper, novels, and magazines. Now let us see how this works. You need to select the first letter of the paragraph. Okay. Now go to the insert tab. In the text group, there is the text group. There is this feature called add a drop cap. Okay. Now you click this. There are various options available. Okay. Now if you select this drop, so you can see the first letter of the paragraph is coming in the large font. Okay. So this is how the drop features work. There is one more option. So let us take a look. Again, you need to select, for example, you select the first word of the paragraph in the insert text group. Now you select this, the second option in margin. Okay. So what in margin does, it places your first word or whatever you have selected out of the normal area and it places that word in the margin. So you can see the drop is coming here in the margin. Okay. Anytime if you want to just go away with the drop cap feature, so you can just go to the drop cap here and you can select none and you can just remove the drop cap. So this is the idea of the drop cap. Okay. And it is mostly used in newspaper, novels, magazines, some fairy tales books to give the artistic touch to the document. Okay. Hope this is clear to you. Students, we discussed how to insert word art in Microsoft Word. and the drop cap feature. Now, time for a short quiz. The first question which I have for you is the word art option is available on clicking the dash tab. The second one, in dash group, you can change the text fill of word art. Which of the following option is used to display the first letter of paragraph in a large size? And your options are capitalize each word, drop cap, bold, or none of these. The last one is it is not possible to remove the drop cap once it is applied, true or false. Thank you students for your time. Please go through the video thoroughly. If you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section. I will talk to you soon in our next video.